Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to upload images to Openart AI. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need to make and share a few practical tips so everything goes smoothly the first time. This is useful whether you're uploading a single reference image, working with product photos, creating variations, or using an image as a starting point for a new AI-generated result. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Openart workspace. When the page loads, look to the left-hand sidebar and choose the Image section. This is where all the image tools live, so anytime you want to create, edit, enhance, or work from an image reference, this is the main place to start. As the workspace opens, you'll see options to pick a model. Choose the model that best fits your goal, whether you're enhancing, guiding generation with references, or building variations. Different models can interpret your images a bit differently, so matching the model to your intent helps you get the look you want with fewer retries. For example, if you want a clean, realistic result, choose a model that handles detail well. If you want something more creative or stylized, choose a model that supports that kind of visual direction. With the model selected, move into the Images area. This is the panel where you'll manage the visuals you're bringing in. Locate the Upload Images button and click it. Your computer's file picker will open. Browse to the folder that contains the image or images you want to use. Select them and click Open to confirm. A good tip is to organize your images in one folder before starting, especially if you're uploading multiple references for the same project. You can usually select multiple files at once by holding Shift or Control while you click. Common formats like JPEG and PNG work well. If you see any size or format warnings, adjust your selection and try again. Using clear, high-quality images usually gives Openart better information to work with, so avoid blurry screenshots or heavily compressed files when possible. Once the upload begins, you'll see thumbnails appear in the workspace. Before you proceed, take a moment to review the output settings. This is where you control things like image size, aspect ratio, and the number of results. Reviewing these settings first helps you avoid generating something that looks good, but does not fit the platform or project you need it for. Pick an output that suits your destination. For example, square outputs are great for social posts, while wider ratios fit banners or presentations. Larger dimensions and more variations will take longer to generate and may use more credits, so balance quality with speed. If you're still testing ideas, start with fewer results first. Once you like the direction, you can increase the output or quality for the final version. Next, look for the quality control. This setting lets you trade off between speed and detail. A higher quality level typically produces sharper textures and cleaner edges, especially helpful when your uploaded images contain intricate patterns or small text. Keep in mind that higher quality can increase processing time, so for quick drafts, use a faster setting, and for final images, switch to a higher quality option. When everything looks good, click Generate. You'll see a progress indicator while Openart processes your images with the chosen model, output, and quality settings. At this stage, just let the tool finish processing so it can apply all the settings properly. When it finishes, your results will appear right in the workspace, ready for review. If something isn't quite right, adjust the model, output, or quality, and generate again until you're satisfied. You can also compare different versions side by side and choose the one that best matches your goal. That's the full process for uploading images to Openart AI. Simple, predictable, and optimized for great results. Once you understand these basic steps, it becomes much easier to create consistent images, test different ideas, and build stronger visual projects inside Openart.